Hey everyone, I wanted to show you some of the updates to WeVideo that you can use in your classes in case you weren't able to make it to Lunch and Learn last week. So one of the cool things that WeVideo now has is what is called WeVideo Classroom, and that's what you're seeing on my screen right now as well. So you can still toggle back and forth between Classic, which is what WeVideo used to look like, and you can see it there. But you also can now have access to what we call WeVideo Classroom. And in WeVideo Classroom, it kind of works a lot like Google Classroom would. You would make a class, you can make assignments in there, and then in these assignments, you can create videos and video assignments. Each student will create their own. They can create them as teams, that kind of thing. So I just wanted to show you some of the things that you can do. So for example, I have my students in human body systems here, and they're making a movement video. So if you look at my movement video here, I've got my assignment. You can see if I edit it here, you can see like the description that I gave them. So in the description, it says create a video of an action to describe the joint type. It gives them some things that they need to do and that kind of thing. Now, if I wanted to, I could have them do it individually or as a team. I could make a due date for them. And then down here, if there's specific media or any content that you already want your students to use, you can upload that and then it will automatically give that to all of your students ahead of time. So that's kind of the basics of what the assignment looks like. And then when you publish your assignment, your students, when they log in, they will see it here. And so then you can review your progress. So if we look at our progress here, you'll see that 2 of my students have turned their videos in, so I can review their video and grade those. And then I've got some that are in progress here. I even have one down here that's not started that you can see. So you've got a way that you can kind of check in and see what they're doing. But if we go into one of them, we're going to go into Callie's here because I know she's got some things in there. So if we get in there, we can view her progress. She can still add media up here. She can add text. She can video record. She can put all her things in here. It looks exactly like WeVideo would with just the classic, but it's all there for you. And so when she's done, she can just click turn in and it'll turn in. So you can see that here. You can see I can review Noelle's video. It's her video right here. We can see that. We can see Peyton's video here as well. And when I'm done looking at those, I can click done and we can see it that way. And it's just an easier way I've found for the kids to be able to make videos and narrate over them, add text, that kind of thing, without the complication of then they have to export their video and download it into Google and then upload it to Google Classroom. So it kind of takes out all that like stuff when they're like, well, I had trouble downloading it at home. They don't need to download it anymore because it's already here. So that's kind of the cool thing about it there. If you want to do this for your students, you can just create a class. And then what you'll do is you'll open the class. And if you want to invite people once you're in there, you would just click people. And then you're going to give this code, whatever the code is right here for your students. So you can just project that or whatever, and then students can automatically get into your class. And then once you have videos and things like that, you can just post those and those assignments and they can make them right there. So I think that's the coolest new feature. I think it's going to save a lot of time and in finishing videos, and those videos take a long time and then they take a long time to download to your drive, like I said. So I think that's one of the cool things about this. There also are assignment ideas that they've got here too now. So there's a whole bunch of ideas if you want your students to be creating videos, how you might go about doing that. On the main page, there are all sorts of templates, video templates that you can use as well. So if you're interested in any of those things and want some more information, let me know. Also, when you log into WeVideo and you log in with your Google, it's going to give you some pretty cool tutorials that are going to show you some other things as well. So that's kind of my quick update on WeVideo. If you guys have any other questions about how to use it or what you might be able to do with that, just let me know.